Hi, I'm Rich. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Rachel. And this is part 2. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love.
Shut up. Okay, we're gonna do it right now. Okay.
Hopefully she's gonna do better than last time. I'm scared.
A light.
Green light. It's like black light, but it's green.
Alright, I hope you guys can see this.
Yeah, we can.
Because it's gonna happen.
Oh, wait.
Okay. And now.
Just do it already.
You're just like,
I was like so scared. She goes, no.
you're
Just even touch me.
she went, and I went, and no. And then she went,
I think they saw.
but I don't think they heard.
Dude, put the green light on my elbow. Pull the green light down. Put it on my elbow.
Why?
Oh, yeah, wait. Okay. Anyways, it's gonna work. I really hope it does. Because I want a cat. But I'm not emo.
Alright.
Wait.
Tag that. Scream. Like, literally scream.
No, I can scream louder. I think I'm going to scream louder.
You're just scream at the top of your lungs. You're gonna get the sore throat and working on. Whoa! Okay.
You gotta go harder, man.
Okay. We should just drop the computer on.
That'll work.
Okay.
Let's just take it outside.
Okay. No.
Oh,
What's your
no,
arm?
no.
Did you stop it? Okay. You scared?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's do is grab your arm.
Dude, do it when I least expect it. Don't let me feel your arm moving.
Okay, then just keep your arm right there. Or just talk. Rachel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Rachel, get it out of your mouth. You can't talk. So, how's the summer been?
Summer sucks.
Stupid.
Because I'm not... Oh, I don't know. My grandma having a stroke and being in a coma right now. Yeah, my summer's awesome. Did you watch this?
I don't know. Some of them go on YouTube with every tone with a good arm. Cause I don't know. I just went like.
It's 3 minutes. You gotta hurry.
Okay. Hurry.
If it doesn't work this time, stay tuned for part 3.
Bite it.
No, good.
Bite it. Move your head.
Okay.
You might have to stay tuned for part 3. Chew on something.
I'm good.
Okay. Chew on this. Okay, now. Hey. Don't make it so far that you're gonna have to gag.
Gag. Dude, you're knocked it out of place.
We're gonna have to do it one more time.
Wait. Oh. Wait. Stay tuned for next time on How to Break Your Arm Redneck Style. Wrong button. Let me get